Hello there friend, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the cold season is not going anywhere, and that means we make more and more warm outfits. I made a trench coat out of a blanket in my previous video, and let me tell you, when I say it looks so nice, it's an understatement. It feels so nice, it's warm. I love it so much. And if you've not watched the video, please go watch it. I'll link it right here and also in the description box. So today's video, I'm going to be making a set that I believe is an essential in everyone's closet, and that is a hood and a pair of sweatpants. I love sweatpants because you can style them the way you like, casually with a pair of sneakers, or classy with a pair of heels, or just lounge in them because that's how comfortable they are. So I found this fabric at the thrift store. Let me not call it a fabric, it's a 2-seat cover. That's what it looks like, because it has the cushion side, that is that borderline for the cushions. It has a zipper, which makes me think it was a seat cover. It's army green. I love it so much. It has the feel of a sweatpant material. It's stretchy, and it's what I'm going to be using. So for the pattern that I'm going to be using to create my sweatpants, I'm going to be creating my own pattern, the same method I used to create my overalls, which I'll link right here so that you can check out how I came up with the pattern. That is the same technique I'll be using. For the hood, I'll be creating my own pattern from the Aldrich pattern book. I believe it's page 193. And then for the body of the hood, I will be dressing a hood that I love. You can dress a hood, a t-shirt, or a top that you really like the fit of, the same as to the sleeves. I like a baggy kind of hood, a long kind of hood, and that is what I'm going to be making so that I can be so comfortable for every look that I have. So without so much talking, let's get started. But before that, please click the subscribe button down below if you're interested in sewing, fashion, and also craft videos. And let's get into the video. So to prepare the fabric for my cutting process, I'm going to be removing the zipper that is here, and then I'll be removing this border that you can see right here, the one that I said it was for the cushions. And I'll get my fabric, and that is what I'll use to cut every single pattern piece.
Taking my time to look at you after all that we've been through, wondering how you can do it, kissing and queer with someone new. Is she the one you've been dying for, keeping you out here more and more? You've been missing on your IG, guess you thought I couldn't find her ID. You can hide the truth, now I know why you left my cold on hold. Every time I found out you got reasons not to be around, but you fucked it well, you should praise yourself. I'm done putting my trust on you. I'm done putting
Today I seam ripped the zipper and that border fabric that was for the cushions, and I got my pieces of fabric to work with. Today I woke up and cut every single pattern piece that I needed, and it's all here. I have 4 trouser pieces, 2 bodice pieces, and 2 sleeve pieces. I even managed to cut out my waistband, which is right here, and also my cuffs. And the only disappointing part is that I didn't have enough fabric to cut out my hood piece and then my front hoodie pocket. Now I want to join a couple of pieces, fabric pieces, to make a whole piece. I hope it looks good, but we'll see when we get there. So I want to start up on sewing my trouser, that is my sweatpants. I'm really excited to see how they look, and I'm not going to start with my hardest project, which is what you're supposed to. I'll start with that, which is straight to the point. I'm just going to be sewing the side seams and then the in-leg seam, and then attach my cuffs and attach my waistband. And I'm not quite sure yet if I want pockets on my sweatpants, but that's not hard because later if I want pockets I can just seam rip the side seam and add them because they're just simple inseam pockets. So let me get sewing.
Never thought that she would be the one that I needed most. I was such a fucking ass for cheating on you. Cause when I see the tears, I know I've lost ya. Yeah, I can have a million reasons, but there would be no reason for redemptions. Yeah, I can have some explanations, but how can I change the situation?
Currently 6:30 and I'm done with the sweatpants. They turned out so great. I had a couple of issues with the cuffs. The cuffs were way too hard to do, more than I really expected, estimated, everything, but it turned out so amazing. I'm trying it on right now and I love the fit. It's baggy and it's really long, and also after 30 minutes of deliberating whether I need pockets on my sweatpants, I added pockets and I love how they turned out. I copied how the pockets from another sweatpants are done and I love them. So I will be doing the hoodie tomorrow because I'm really tired. Those cuffs drained the hell out of me. So see you tomorrow. Great day to finish up this project. So yesterday after I was done with the sweatpants, I joined up fabric pieces so that I can cut out my hoodie, and I also constructed it so it's ready to attach, and this is how it's looking. I love the shape and everything. And earlier today I also did more prep work, and since yesterday calves kicked my butt, I decided to do them first today, and so I constructed my sleeve and added the cuff, and this is what it looks like. I love it so much. The other thing that I did is I attached my front hoodie pocket to the front bodice, and now everything is ready to be attached together. I got done with these around last week and have worn them before, and I love how the hood turned out, how the sweatpants turned out, except the fact that the cuffs gave me a hard time. Nothing else was that hard, and the fit is how I wanted it to be. My doubts were not confirmed. It looks so amazing. I love it, and this is how they look.